Listen up. If you love digital art, you need to hear this. Want to create stunning designs? It all starts with the right tools. Edit, refine, line up, crop, and tint, play with hues, switch up the vibe, and zoom in for that perfect detail. Digital art isn't just about drawing, it's about vision. Plan it, sync it, and bring your ideas to life. Adjust gradients, add depth, and watch your work transform. But here's the real secret. Good art needs care. Tune it, fade it, test it, swap dull tones for bold ones, mask, clip, and push the limits. Want your art to stand out? Work hard, zoom in, and feel the energy. Spin ideas, burn through creative blocks, and add that final touch. Most importantly, show your true soul. Tell your story. Stay bold. Stay creative. Now go, make something amazing.